When you back up your Samsung phone, you expect one thing, that if something happens to your phone, you can restore everything important later. Your apps, your settings, your messages, your home screen, your files, and your private things that you don't want to lose. But most Samsung users are trusting a backup that may not be saving everything they think it is. So hello there, welcome and welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel, where I take you through everything tech. A phone backup is simply a copy of your important phone data that you can restore after resetting your phone, changing phones, or sending it for repairs. And on your Samsung phone, one of the places most people go to is the Samsung Cloud. Samsung Cloud can help you synchronize setting Samsung information across devices and backup selected data from your phone. But syncing and backup are not exactly the same thing. And more importantly, the normal Samsung Cloud backup may leave out one very important area of your phone. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you where most people back up their Samsung phones, what that backup actually covers, what it can leave out, and the better option to check before you reset, repair, or replace your device. Let's go. Now, when you're on your phone, usually this is where people go to backup. They scroll down, go into settings, and once they're here, they're just going to tap on the account detail, and inside here, they can see Samsung Cloud here and tap on it. Then you're greeted with this very surface. Here, you've got two different sections. You've got synchronized data across all devices and back up this phone. Let's talk about the first one. This top section, that is for synchronizing supported data across all devices. Over here, things like your Samsung Note, calendar, internet, reminder, and more. This is useful when you want the same information to appear on your different Samsung phones, tablets, and other Galaxy devices. But this is not the same as a full phone backup. And while you're here, let me show you something. You can see up here that for your gallery, the sync is to OneDrive. I had spoken in a previous video that you can check in the top right corner here about how this union is actually ending. And so now, if we tap on this, for example, you're going to see here that after 30th of September 2026, Gallery will no longer be syncing to the Microsoft OneDrive. So for this, I've made a dedicated video explaining this and the other ways you can get this sorted out in case the time is up. So you can check that video there. It's going to show you about that. Let's go back. All right, then we have this section here. That's the backup this phone. Now this backup this phone option here, you can backup things like your settings, your contacts, apps, your home screen layout, your clock, messages. All these are things you can backup on your phone and off your phone. But you want to look carefully. There's something that's missing here, which is the secure folder. It is not here. Yes, and for individuals that don't know so much about the Samsung secure folder, check the top right corner. I made a dedicated video explaining fully what it's all about and how to set it up. Moving on. That means many people back up their phones, reset it, and later realize that their secure files were never included in the backup. The same problem happened to me myself. And you're actually going to face the same problem if you follow this other route. That's if you're here in settings and you scroll all the way down till you get to accounts and backup. Select this option and come here into Samsung Cloud Backup Data. If you come here, you're going to be facing the same problem because it is just the same space but approached from a different angle. So before you reset your phone, send it to repairs or move to another Samsung phone, this is what you want to do. You want to scroll down, tap on settings, and then scroll all the way down till you get to general management. Then tap on this. Then while you're in here, you want to scroll down again till you get to reset and select this option. Then you're going to see this one here, which is a temporary cloud backup. You could select this if you still want to save it on the cloud, or else you could use this other option where you're going to connect an external drive to it and back up your data onto that. Why am I saying this? Let's tap on it and I would explain. Once you're in here, you're just going to tap on your backup data and wait. All right, once it opens, you're going to see something. When you look critically, you're going to see the first thing up here, which is secured folder. In my case, there's 9.23 gigabytes inside it that is actually going to get backed up for me. So when you use this backup approach, you actually back up everything, including very important secure folder data on the supported devices. Just remember, this here is temporary. So use it when you're about to reset, repair, replace, or transfer your phone. So the simple message is this. Samsung Cloud is useful, but do not assume that the normal backup saves everything important on your phone. Before making a major change to your device, check temporary cloud backup and make sure Samsung Secure folder is included. Let me know in the comment section if you want a full video on the fastest way to back up your Samsung phone properly. So without wasting much time, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.